everybody, my name is Shivani Sharma and in this video I'll be telling you about top MBA colleges in Jaipur. So let's begin. Number 1. Jaipuria Institute of Management. It is a privately owned institute which was established in the year 1995. This institute is affiliated to NAAC and is approved by AICTCE. It is considered to be the finest college in India in providing quality education to the students in the field of management. The college aims to provide masters in business management to create good managers for the future business world. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages, also to clear the exams such as CAT, MAT, XAT, GMAT or CMAT. The graduation so completed should score with a minimum of 50 percentages and the duration of this course is of 2 years with a basic fee structure of 8,45,000 in total. The average placement offer here is 3 lakhs per annum and the highest package offered here is of 9 lakhs per annum. Number 2. Manipal University in Jaipur. It was established in the year 2011 by Manipal Global Education Services. It is a privately owned institute which aims at making the students good future managers in the global business world. Moreover, it is the first university in Rajasthan to get A+ grade by NAAC. Also, this university is considered to be among the top universities in Rajasthan in providing diploma, PhD, undergraduate and postgraduate courses in the field of management studies. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for the students to get themselves enrolled under MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages and should clear the exam, that is GMAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a minimum fee structure of 8,14,000 in total. The average placement is 6.2 lakhs per annum and the highest placement offer is 42 lakhs per annum. Number 3. R.A. Porter Institute of Management. It was established in the year 1974. It is a privately owned co-educational institute located at the Pink City. It is approved by UGC and it is spread across 20,000 square meters. This institute is known for providing management studies in the whole city. It helps the students to make them a better business managers in the today's competitive world. Moreover, the college provides masters in business administrative works in the fields of MBA Executive and MBA Service Management. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA Executive. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 48 percentages and the duration of this course is of 2 years, that too in part-time. The fee structure is 1,15,000 in total. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria, that the student should have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages and should clear the exam, that is MAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years, that is in full time, and the basic fee structure is 1,89,000 in total. Number 4. IPS Business School, which was established in the year 2007. It is a management institute providing an expertise and professional knowledge to the students in the field of management. The college is affiliated to Rajasthan University and is approved by AICTCE. The college is ranked among the top best colleges in Rajasthan for providing education in the field of management. The college provides masters in business administration in 4 different fields, as its specialization in human resource management, information technology, finance. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages. Also, they are required to clear the exam such as CAT, MAT, XAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with the basic fee structure of 1,89,000 in total. The average placement package offered here is 8 lakhs per annum and the highest placement offer here goes up to 15 lakhs per annum. Number 5. Lakshmipat University, which is located at the Pink City, that is Jaipur, established in the year 2011. It lays emphasis on practical knowledge in every subject. This college is considered to be among the top colleges for providing knowledge in the field of management. Also, it provides various scholarship programs for the students to make their education affordable. The college provides masters in business administration with practical learning in every subject. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages and should clear the exams such as CAT, XAT, MAT, ATMA or CMAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with the basic fee structure of 8,40,000 in total. The average placement offer here is 5.18 lakhs per annum and the highest placement offers goes up to 10 lakhs per annum. So guys, these were the top colleges for MBA in Jaipur. I hope this video was useful to you. For further details, kindly visit campusfunnel.com and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.